Everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can talk to other country in OmeTV. First up, open your browser and go to the search box and type ometv.com. Now here, you want to go to this page, so you just have to wait for a few seconds here. And once it's done, as you can see, you will then need to sign up for account if you don't have an account yet. So you can basically sign in using your FB or VK. Now, once you signed in, as you can see here, so basically we have two options to talk to other country. The first is by using the feature which is selecting the country. So if we're going to click on the country, right from here, you can basically select any country. For example, I'm from Thailand. You can then select this one, or you can just select Spain, for example, or you can select Australia, or you can basically select other country like China. So you just need to use this feature. Now, the second option is by using VPN. So to do that, you just need to get a VPN first. So you just have to go to your browser, for example here, and then search for VPN. And as you can see the results, we have a bunch of VPN. We have ExpressVPN, NordVPN. We have some Proton VPN right here. We have the Kaspersky ExpressVPN. So you just have to select here, and some are free to use, or some VPN here need to subscribe to a premium VPN. So if you want a free, you just have to go here in the search box and type Chrome Web Store. So type right here and then press enter, and then go to this page, Chrome Web Store. And then here on this page, go to the search box at the top, and you should have to search for VPN. And as you can see, you have a lot of VPN extensions here. So you just have to select if you want this free VPN, touch VPN, or this Browsec VPN. So select one of these here. For example, I'm going to select this Turbo VPN. So what I'm going to do is basically click on Add to Chrome button. Now, once this VPN is added to your extension, you just have to open and select the country that you want to select. Now here, for example, I have a VPN or premium VPN here, which is the IPVanish. So I'm going to open my VPN, for example. Now, like any other VPNs here, the first thing that you can do is you can basically select the location. So here, for example, if I want to select like US, or here on Dallas on United States, and then you should have to connect that one. Once your VPN is connected, so right over here, it says connected. So basically, you can go back to OmeTV and you can just set the country here. For example, I'm from US. And here, basically, you can now talk to other country in OmeTV. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.